How to make a PowerPoint presentation using Canva. Why Canva? Because Canva helps us save time with the ready-to-use templates. We can access thousands of high-quality educational templates for every subject, grade, and ability. Canva is for everyone, for teachers, for students, and all kinds of individuals. We can also discover worksheets, lesson plans, presentations, posters, reports, and more, all ready to customize. And they have this Canva for Education. Para po sa atin yan. With it, we get all the benefits of a premium features such as millions of images, fonts, graphics, videos, animations, and templates. We also get a dedicated classroom space to invite students and teachers to share, review, and manage our work. Then, we can now search for the Canva for Education. Then, sign up for free. If ever po we have an account already, then let us go to login. After po nyan, let's decide. Now, let's go to Step 1, make your Canva presentation. So, let us click the presentation. Then, let us choose a template we like depending on our topic. Reminders po dito, when we do our presentation, let's make sure nakatabi po natin or naka-open po tayo ng Word natin na nandoon yung ating WHLP or yung ating lesson plan para guided po tayo. For the start na po, syempre, we can choose whatever slide that we want. Pwede pong i-apply natin lahat ng slides. Pwede rin pong pumili tayo ng isa o dalawa dun sa slide or template na napili natin. Then, we can now fill it up with the information we want to share in our lesson. At yan na nga po. Halimbawa po, natapos na natin yung ating slide. Then, we can also click videos and type in our desired video in this area or in this option. Ayan po, videos. Type in any lesson po. Then, we can also add photos. Pag clinic natin yan, meron din po silang portion na ganito. Then, we can also add any pictures. Okay po. Yan, example ng video po na ating pwedeng ilagay. We can also choose whether yung music natin or yung videos natin na ilalagay, kung gaano ito kahaba. We can also put an avatar of ourselves. Bahala po kayo kung lalaki o babae yung avatar. Then we can also add text. And then, pwede rin pong walang sound yung ating video. Ayan. Then, now, it is our time to download. Kung hindi po natin gustuhin na lagyan ito ng face natin dito sa baba para makita na tayo yung nagdi-discuss. Kasi merong ibang mga teacher na shy type din po, diba? So, para dun naman sa iba na confident at okay lang sa kanila na may mukha sila dito na habang nagdi-discuss, then, now, let's move on to step 2. Head on to the recording studio. Ito na po. Ito po yun. On the top of the right corner of the editor, click on Present and Record. Ito po yun. The next, click on Go to Recording Studio. Ito po yun. Ayan. Then, step 3 na tayo. Start recording. Okay. Then, of course, we should set up our camera, our microphone. Once we're ready, click on Start Recording. Pero, reminders po, bago po yan, dapat inform natin yung ating mga kasamahan sa bahay na nagre-record tayo para hindi sila mag-create ng any unnecessary noise o di kaya baka dumaan sa likod natin. Makikita din po kasi. So, simple tip lang po para maging mas maayos yung ating recording. The next, another tip pa, click pause, resume, or end. Para saan? Pause to take a break from a recording, resume once we're ready to continue, and end recording once we're done with our recording. Then last step. Syempre po, wait for our recording to upload. Syempre, excited na tayo nun. So, hintayin nyo lang po na umabot dito ito at may makikita po tayo dyan na save and exit or download. And that's it po. Thank you so much for joining with me with my topic, how to make a PowerPoint presentation using Canva.